Hello everyone. Hi beauties, this is Meenakshi Talwar, your makeup and styling expert, and I am really delighted to be a part of this amazing platform that is Mompreneur Circle. So thanks to Latika and the whole team of Mompreneur Circle to give all of us, me, you, everyone, this amazing platform where we can come forward, we can show our talent, we can show our skills, and there are so many women out here which are getting benefited. So let me just see some more messages so that I can give my introduction. So this is I can see only 3 people. Hi Latika. After so much of mess, because I was supposed to come live at 4 o'clock, but because of some reasons I was not able to, so now is the time. So let me just wait for 3-4 more people, or should I start with my introduction? So fine, I think I should start with my introduction. So hi, I'm Meenakshi Talwar. I am into real jewelry. I'm a jewelry designer by profession, and I'm a makeup artist. I'm into styling, I'm into beauty, I'm into lifestyle, I'm into so many things. So as Raksha Bandhan is arriving, so, it is around the corner. So I understand this is a time where we all have so many different kind of emotions. We all are going through a kind of tough phase, but yes, this Rakhi is it is a example, it is a symbol of love, affection, family bonding, your brother and sister bonding. So yes, we all should be excited, and that's why I'm into so many skincare products which you can actually make at home yourself with natural ingredients. And majorly I'm these days doing sessions and consultations on your hair care products, your skincare products. But as Rakhi is just around the corner, so I thought I should give you a session which can solve your issues, because I understand most of us, we cannot go to salons and all for the makeup and that decked up look. So why not to do it at home yourself? So hi Deepa, may I know you? Deepa, I hope now you know me. So I am basically into regular consultations and sessions these days. I am doing my regular live sessions. I was really excited to come live here in Mompreneur Circle, because I understand it is there are so many of us. So let me just wait for some more people, some more beauties to join. I don't know, there is some network issue. I hope everything goes well now. So I'm going to tell you very important tips, your makeup essentials and makeup tools. Definitely there are many people who are coming live on regular basis, and they are teaching you how to do makeup, how to do smoky eye look, how to create base, how to do this, how to do that. But the most important is what all you should have. Because I don't believe in spending so much of your money, and because most of us, like most of you are not pros in makeup. Hi Ruby, you're not pros in makeup, so you guys are doing it for yourselves. So it is very important to know what all you actually need, what all products you actually need, which can actually solve your problem. You can always mix and match the products, you can always mix and match the things and create something new, because makeup is all about experimentation. Hi Gulshan. So I think I should start up with the session because we are 40 now. So fine. So I'll start up with tools, because see, I am not, yes, one more thing, I am not putting on any makeup. I have just prepped and primed my face and used little of concealer, so that I can even give you a demo how to do your makeup in just 10 to 15 minutes, and tada, you are done with the day look. So let me just start now. Okay, first of all, you need to have some moisturizer at home, which is very much needed. Oh, I was very much okay, Ruby, so I am here to solve your problem. So you need a moisturizer definitely, and then you need a toner. See, as I told you that I make my own hair care and skin care products at home. Even some makeup products also I create, like this I created, which is lip and cheek stain, which is really in, and it gives you a really nice glow. Then I created this highlighter for your face, which is again amazing, and there are so many more things, so that we can talk later on, maybe sometime, if you want your personal sessions and all. So this I created. This is a toner which you need to have. You can make a list, if you want. So you need a moisturizer, good moisturizer, any moisturizer which suits your skin. Okay, then you need a toner. Then you need a nice base for yourself. Any base would do. I use MAC, I use Inglot, I use this Anastasia foundation. Hi means good to see you. Hi Pooja. We are so regular. So it's good to see someone who is there in every session of mine. So you need to have nice foundation. Why I am not saying BB cream or CC cream? Because what happens is, like, you can, as I created, I'll show you. I have lost it, I guess. Yes, I taught in one of my session how to create your own BB cream or CC cream at home. So what happens is, like, sometimes, because bases are liquid bases or different bases, they are thick in consistency, they give you complete coverage, but we cannot apply them, to be honest, like we cannot apply them on regular basis. So we need something lighter for our skin. So what we can do, if we have a nice foundation, nice base for ourselves, we can always make it a BB cream or CC cream. But with BB cream or CC cream, we cannot make a full coverage foundation. So if it's like, if you don't have BB cream or CC cream at home, it's fine, you can have a nice foundation. Okay, then this is again one of the amazing thing. And as I told you, this lip and cheek stain I made, you can make it at home. These are liquid blush-ons, which are amazing. I'll show you in some time, like let me just go through these all tools and essential products for makeup, then I'll show you how to use them. So this is again liquid blush, which is really amazing to give you nice glow, natural blush, and it takes much lesser time than other blush, which you use with brushes and all. And the best thing is, you don't need a brush for this, so just fingers will do the trick. Then it's amazing if you have these palettes. This kind of palette, these are readily available on Amazon or any other size. This is by Sivana Colors. So if you find this, you will definitely get this. So this is amazing, and this is really amazing. Why? Because you can always keep it in your bag, handbag, or anywhere when you're on the go. So this is very easy. It has got this contouring powder, then it has got highlighting powder, and then it has got a nice shade of blush, which is amazing for Indian skin, because we have yellow tinge in our skin. So this is really amazing. Then what else? Yes, you need to have one corrector. This is always great if you have correctors. So because correctors, what does it do? Generally professional makeup artists, they use correctors, but these are amazing for handling your then dark spots and pigmentation and all those things on your face. So this is the orange corrector, which is amazing for this. And yes, then one concealer, any concealer would do. one trick I would like to tell you. If you're using orange corrector and if you're using yellow corrector or yellow concealer on top of it, see, definitely you need to practice and practice, because blending is the most important thing in makeup. So if you are using this color yellow concealer on top of your orange corrector, it does magic. It just hides your dark circles and those pigmentation spots and those other things completely. So this is really good. This was a trick. Then for lips, definitely you need to have one gloss which is needed. Then the most important, I have lost it again. See, there is so much, I'll show you afterwards. This lip balm is must, because I've seen many ladies, many women, what they do is like they do the complete makeup and they are out for a party or some get together or somewhere, but their lips are, if you see them properly, so they are putting on nice lip shades, but there are cracks on the lips. That lip shade is going inside those cracks and it looks really tacky. So just make sure when you start the makeup, so before that you have to apply your nice lip balm. See, I have made this treatment lip balm at home and I teach this also, and this is so amazing, so amazing. If you use this, you will come to know. So it's a treatment, like it is kind of mask. You can apply this for the whole day if you want, because it has got that color also, nice red color, which is really good. It gives you very nice look, and if you want to use it before the bedtime, you can do that as well. Then you have to have nice nude shade lip liner. Any good shades, like 2-3 lip liners, depending on your choice and your complexion and everything. You need to have liners, lip liners. Then liquid lipstick is must, again depending on your own choice. I have this nude color because these days I'm creating all the time, I'm creating that ombre effect on the lips, which I really like. So this is needed for that. This is done for the kind of lips. It depends like how many lipsticks you want, but again in my live session generally I always tell everyone not to spend too much on your products and different products, whatever you're seeing and all. You need to know your skin, you need to know your personality, then accordingly buy the products, limited products, and then you can create so many out of that. So you need to know the right tips and tricks, the right hacks, then you're good to go. Then for the eyes, definitely one smudge proof kajal, or if you don't have smudge proof kajal, or there are many feedbacks on this, there are many queries where women are asking that whenever they put kajal, it just smudge completely, whatever they do, whatever company they buy. So there is again a tip and a trick to make any kajal smudge proof. Then definitely your liquid liner, which is needed. I have got this liner which is amazing. This has got amazing color. So sometimes when you're, there is some issue. Yeah, personally I have some problem with that. I don't like that personally. This is my person. No offense to anyone. So you should not put it very thick. It just lose its that kind of look. So what I feel, you should just apply a very thin line of this on top of your black liner. It looks amazing, seriously. This is one of my favorite color. And then definitely any good mascara. But one more tip, according to me, what I feel, all of your eye makeup should be waterproof, because you never know, you never know. Sometimes you're going out and there is sudden rain, so sometimes you're sweating, and yes, sometimes you can get emotional in the middle of any movie or any, you know, conversation or anything. So what will happen here? So you will have a panda eyes, so it's better to avoid that. Can you please name this eyeliner, I mean brand? Gulshan, which one? You're talking about blue? So this one is Borgers. If you want, you can message me afterwards. I can send you a click of this, because obviously I understand it will be, I think, ulta from here. Agar aap dekhoge, you will not be able to read this, or if you want, you can screen capture. If you want, आप screen capture कर लो, you will be able to see afterwards. Okay? कर लिया, I think. You're done. I think you're done. So and yes, last but not the least, you should have, I don't know, I've lost few things. You should have facial wipes, facial tissues, facial wipes, facial wet wipes and facial tissues always should be handy. These are must, because you know, if you, in case you make any mess up, or you know, if in case, you know, you have applied the blush and it is little, you're most welcome Gulshan, it is little too much, so obviously you can always wipe it off. And then this illuminator, which I forgot, because I love that sheen effect, that glossy effect in the makeup, which is my favorite. So this is one product which you should have, illuminator, which is must. You can mix it with any of your base, you can just apply it with your moisturizer or anything. This is again one of my favorite, yes, it's all-time favorite. This is by MAC, but you can get it in any other brand as well. Can you tell me which haircut goes for baby? Divya, for that, kindly get in touch with me afterwards. I definitely do sessions on various topics, but right now it is, let's stick to this one. So this is a highlighter, which is amazing. I'll show it to you, okay? Then yes, you have to have these. This is by Garnier Micellar Water, which honestly I was not kind of you know, promoting few brands these days because of some reasons, but anyways, this is you should have micellar waters, you know, for yourself. So these are the things. I'll show you one more thing. This is again amazing for those people who are not pros, you know, these kind of products are lifesavers, seriously. This is again one, I'll show you. See, this is highlighter, cream highlighter, which is again very good. If you're on the go, you can just apply it. It has got this brush as well, so you can always, you know, merge it nicely. Okay, great. So, and now I'll come to brushes, which amazing tool. You should have these tools. Obviously you cannot do without brushes. What is the difference between illuminator and highlighter? Ruby, see, to be honest, illuminator is about illuminate, as you know, anything illuminates. When you switch on the bulb, it illuminates. Highlighter, it just highlights. So generally there is, let me be very honest, that's what I was telling you. You don't need to have so many products with yourself. As makeup artists teach you, this is this, this is this, you get confused generally what all to buy, and it is so much for a normal person who are not into professionally into makeups. So illuminator is just that you generally get it mixed with, you know, things, and it is not very like, you know, very bright on the face. So you can use it just with the moisturizer. You can just put it 1 or 2 drops. You can mix it with the base like that, you know. And highlighter, it has more brightness, more sparkles. I'll just show you, and it just suddenly highlights everything. So I'll show you now, okay, after some time. Just let me just get through with this. These are beauty blenders, as you all know. There are many shapes and sizes, and guys, just remember this, girls, not guys. Girls, just remember this, always sanitize your products. Brand of cream highlighter, please. Okay, cream highlighter. This is not a very big brand, though you get these kind of from big brands as well, but this is by Swiss Beauty. Very normal brand which you can get from any vendors if you're living in somewhere near, there are many markets. I'm in South Delhi, so I get these kind of products from my vendors in GK1. So there are many different markets in Delhi. So yes, but I was saying, always sanitize your products, always sanitize your tools. It is not only कि अभी चल रहा है ये कोरोना का पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, that's why I'm saying, otherwise also you should clean your tools every now and then. It is very, very important. If you want to know how to clean your tools properly, just let me know, just get in touch with me. These are few brushes. See, this is again one brush which is very good for contouring because it already has that angle slanting. Okay. Then this is again the same brush, sorry. This is again, synthetic bristles are always for blending your liquid bases, cream bases, okay. This is again very fancy brush by a brand. This is again for contouring. See, this is holding this area very well. Then this is, I use sometimes for blush on, I use sometimes for this highlighter. Then these are all eye makeup brushes. These are very fluffy, so they blend the eye makeup very well. Now I'll just start with my makeup. See, I don't know, I don't have any hairband or anything here, so maybe, yes, I do have. So I'll just put this hairband so that I can actually show you how to do your 10-15 minute makeup, like if you're on the go and you really need, and obviously if you're not very much into makeups and all, so you would want that you just finish off the complete makeup in just 10-15 minute time. So what we need to start with, you need to prep and prime your face nicely, and depending on what kind of skin type you have. If you have very oily skin, like I'll show you one more product which is one of my favorite. I don't know whether you will get it here or not. This is imported. This is by Kiehl's. This is a Rare Earth Pore Refining Tonic, which is amazing for those people who have oily skin, very oily skin, or T-zone skin, and majorly into this kind of weather. These days it's like lot of humidity and lot of sweat on the face. So after applying, who's sending me this emoji? I don't know, somebody is getting angry on my this thing. So this is really amazing. Do you have any questions? Because I like interactive sessions always. I just don't want to just talk. I want interactive session. If you have any questions, any queries, just keep sending. Seriously, I would love that. I would enjoy that. So this is one thing for that. And then according to your skin, if you have primed your face, as I have primed my face, then I use little of this concealer because fortunately I don't have many scars or many thing on my face, like so I just have two majorly high thank you who all are sending me hearts. So for dark circles I use this. Then on top of that, as I told you, I used this, okay, yellow concealer, so that it should be hidden properly. Which brand brushes you recommend? See, Diksha, according to me, as you all are not professionals, Vega is good, and even there are 2-3 more brands. See, if you go online, you will get so many brands these days selling these kind of brushes, but Vega is otherwise is good. It's reasonable, it's economical. Even there are one or two more, I'll tell you. Even Nykaa has amazing collection of brushes. So just go through that. Any substitute for hair color? Yes, Ria, there is. You can get in touch with me. So anyways, after doing everything, now I'll use this again. Liquid blush. Name of the character. See, this one is by Krylon. You get these in MAC as well. MAC is my favorite. So Anjum, just book a personalized session if you want to learn makeup. So I'm giving personalized sessions like 1 hour session, 2 hour session, depending on. So this is by Krylon. Ouch. And on top of that, you can use Pro Conceal. Pro Conceal has again very good. If you don't want to buy Krylon, you can get orange color in Pro Conceal as well. Dusky color, oily skin. Shikha, see, to be, yes, one tool which I forgot, which you should have at home, is any mirror with zoom. Focus mirror is very important. You should have one mirror so that if you want to see your any flaws on the face, if you're applying your concealer or your liner or anything, you can always see that. Is it necessary to apply concealer because you're... See, Meenakshi, it's not the question that foundation is good or not. Everybody is, I guess everybody is using good foundation, but work of the foundation is different and work of concealer is different. Yes, if you don't have much of the flaw, you can always work with the foundation as well. In my many videos, I've done that video as well, that if you have 3-4 products with you, then how can you just customize your things. But if you have major flaws at home, on the face, so I would recommend if you use concealer, that is needed then, or at least a corrector you should have. Like on top of the corrector, you can apply your foundation. Suggest good foundation for dusky and all. Shikha, again, MAC is very good. Even because all the brands have many different kind of shades and many different kind of qualities for all kind of. See, this is so easy to apply. I think you are able to see, because I'm not able to see myself in the screen because of notifications. Can you see? And it is so easy. Doesn't take much time. And this is amazing to give you that instant blushed look. Rest off if is there. I generally don't waste. Either you can apply on your lips or your eyes. In fact, I'll apply it on my eyes. See, as I'm already applying the same shade, I'm applying on my eyes to give a little nice blush look. Can't. Veena, what is can't? I didn't get you. Can you explain? Guys, keep sending queries. I love getting queries and I love to talk. I love interactive sessions. If you will see my live sessions, I definitely talk too much, but yes, I like people to ask me questions. I want to be flooded with the questions and queries. So see, once you are done with the base and everything, then what I'm doing, see, you are taking, you can take this, yes, and then see, it depends now what kind of look you want to achieve. Right now, what I'm feeling, I want a light smoky look on my eyes. And as this is summertime, so I don't want to be like, to fill my eyes with so much of, this black thing. So you can in fact use your fingers. See, I'm showing you the easiest way, though I can show you with the brush as well, but I'm showing you the easiest way to do your smoky look, which you can do very easily at home. See, can you see the difference? Not clear? Am I clear or not? Guys, please let me know, because I don't want to get it wasted. Can you see me clearly? Am I clear? I would like if I get the messages. Am I clear or not? No messages? Okay, I'll wait. Do suggestions do good how to apply kajal and liner relatively small eyes to make it. Definitely, dear. Yes, Rajni, but that is a different topic, because you can actually do so much on your eyes, you cannot even imagine sometime. Okay, thank you. Then there must be some problem with the like your this thing network, I guess, dear. Okay, so again the same thing I'm doing here as well. I'm just smudging my liner, my kajal in fact, with this. Yes, Dolly, actually I am into so regular live sessions and all, so I understand now. In the beginning, I used to be really kind of panicky about this, but now I know. So I am patient, no worries. So I cannot see my face now, so I have to, or maybe I can look here. See, I'm just putting this liner on the corner of my eyes. Fine. And I have forgot to take out my just a sec. Then if you have your palette, so I'm taking black, okay, from it. See, I love creating wings on eyes. One thing why you should always see, makeup is about, you should never go downwards with the makeup, be it your lips, shaping your lips or shaping your eyes. Always create maybe a small wing or a longer wing according to your choice, but you should always create a wing so that your eyes are there is a kind of angle in your eyes. I don't know, I'm not able to see it properly. It's not very clear, but I will try. Yes. See, now can you see the difference, this eye and this eye? See, I love to teach makeup, I love to teach everything, but I love to teach those tips and tricks to people around me, which are normally needed in regular use, because nobody applies heavy makeup on the regular basis. So you need these kind of tips so that you can groom yourself when you're at home or when you're going somewhere. See, can you see the difference? Now I'll just smudge a bit. If you have smaller eyes, though I don't have smaller eyes, but just make sure, because this is summer season, it doesn't look, according to me, in summers, makeup should be, it should be groomed. Because see, makeup is something which is, which should not change your look. Which should just highlight your best features. Which should give you a confidence, You should be comfortable in your skin, and it should give you a groomed look. When in summers you're applying so much of makeup, that's complete no according to me. Can you give me just 1 second? I'll just switch on the light because there is some issue. I think you are not able to see me properly. Are you or not? Are you able to see me properly or not? Should I switch on the light? I think I should switch on the light. Now again I'll have to wait. Ma'am, can you please suggest some peachy nude lip color for fair skin tone? Yes, definitely. I can suggest. Let me just go through this, because see, now I'm using this palette. Okay. You have to start from here. Fine. And I'm using very light. I'm not using any cream contour, because obviously if I'll be using cream contour, it will be more oily, more this thing. So it's better if I'll use this powder contour, because this is just 10-15 minutes makeup. Maybe in the beginning it will take more time than 10-15 minutes. Maybe it will take 20-25 minutes. Okay. I think I'll switch on the lights. Just please give me 1 second. Yes, I think now this is better. And on top of my liquid blush, if I want, and this is not needed seriously, but still I am just giving a nice blush on top of it. Fine. And then definitely you should have one loose powder, which is really needed. Loose powder is must have. So you know what you can do is, after applying your concealer and everything, just crease out your liquid, this thing, you know. It is very important, you know. If you are putting on your concealer and all, and you're not putting on loose powder, then you know it will go into your crease, and mainly with those it will be a problem, women who are aging or like, you know, little matured skin. So you need to, I don't want to apply it here because I will lose that dewy effect. So just on the T-zone I'm applying this loose powder. Fine. And then my favorite product, which is highlighter. See, always remember this. Always remember that makeup is not about changing your look. I don't know. It depends on your obviously choice. If you want to apply bright makeup, very dark makeup. But according to me, if makeup is, just a sec, I'll use my this thing. Makeup is about highlighting your features. Makeup is about making yourself comfortable in your own skin, making yourself more confident. And on that Cupid bow. Then you know, if you want to, if you feel that you need to, you know, oh god, work on your brow, you can do that as well, or you can leave them. It entirely depends on you. See, my way of doing the makeup is like more natural. I don't like. Hi Jashri. So now now coming on to my lips. Fine. I am directly applying this because I use lip balm before starting the session. But always remember to use lip balm. I'm good, Jayashree. How are you? Jayashree, just send some queries because you know how much I love queries. See, I am again trying that ombre effect. Just see. Which I love. I'm just filling the same liner in the corners. Fine. You seen that? And then in the center, somebody asked me about peach lipstick. So this is one by, I don't know, I think this was the Body Shop. This is very nice peach orange color, which is very good for fair skin. And trust me, any lipstick, why you should be deprived of any shade? You can always create something different. Like this shade is good for fair skin, but if you have medium tone skin and little towards dark wheaty skin, you can always apply this, but in a different way. So I had created a kind of ombre look with little peach and little pink. No session timing is this. As in, Jayashree, I didn't get you. No session timing is this. What do you mean by that? See, this is a different session. This is not my regular one. Now I'm applying little of nude in the center. Look at my hair. That's all. And if you want to apply little gloss, you can do that as well. But I like this matte look. Mainly in this kind of weather, matte looks goes a long way. And on top of that, if you want to spray makeup fixer, you can do that. Thank you so much, Dolly. Though it's all messed up now, to be honest, because obviously but yeah, for sure very soon I'll get my cut again. So this is the final look, which you can actually create in just 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, I was teaching you, that's why it took little too much of time, but otherwise I forgot to apply my mascara. But if you want to apply mascara afterwards, you can, or sometimes if you are at home, you can just skip the mascara as well. because my mascara is again waterproof. So taking out the mascara like before the bedtime, which is very important. See, just always remember, whatever you are doing, whatever you do, I don't know, there is somebody calling me on video call. Anyways, so it is very important to remove all your makeup before the bedtime. Always go for, like, you know, I have made this my own personal vitamin C serum at home, which is needed for aging skin and for everyone. These are very good for any kind of skin, but majorly for aging skin, because you know, when we age, we tend to get fine lines, and then you know, those freckles and pigmentation, then you know, dark circles and so much more. So sooner you start taking care of your skin, it would be really better for you. I don't know, there is some call coming. So who is calling me? I don't know. I'm really sorry for the interruption. So I guess you don't have any queries or anything. If you have any queries, just let me know, because you know, I think time is gonna get over soon, because you know, I was supposed to start the session at 4 o'clock ideally, but because of some technical issues I was not able to. So I think I started around 4:30 or after that. So what's the time right now, if anybody can tell me? Because as usual, people who are regularly with me, they know that I never keep a track of the time. I just keep doing my session. So can I know? I don't know, I can't see anyone. I can see anyone answering. Hello? Am I still live or is disconnected? No, I'm still live. So I would like to know if you have any queries related to this session 522. Thank you so much, Gulshan. I guess time is gonna get over soon, because nobody is actually from the group, nobody is telling me. So if you have any queries, let me know. I'll just wait for another 5 minutes, or else I'll just say bye to everyone. And you can always get in touch with me afterwards if you want to, like, you know, if you have any queries related to styling, lifestyle, like, you know, your image, like, you know, personality, or anything. You're live and I'm in Dubai. It's 4 here. Okay, Dolly. My heart is in Dubai. I would really want to come there, because I've been twice to Dubai. So my heart is there. Hi Shalu. Hi Rajni. Thank you so much, Gulshan. You're most welcome. And just you guys can get in touch with me. Thank you, Dolly. You guys can get in touch with me on my personal window as well. And if you want sessions on, you know, makeup, styling, or anything, you can get in touch with me. And I do regular live sessions, I do regular consultations, and so much more. And yes, the most important is, like, the USP is I make my own, you know, skincare and hair care products. So it's really great, you know, if you use more of natural ingredients. It saves your money, it saves your time, and it gives you that amazing feeling of creating your own things, you know, yourself. So anyways, thanks so much. Thanks for being here. Thanks for attending my session, and thanks for your time, support, and everything, and so many hearts here. And would love to see you again very soon, maybe after a few days. And just be there, just keep glowing, just keep blessed, and be beautiful always. Bye.